If you dare, don't pass my side again. I will change that. With the man, with the man. Wait. What do you got, mommy?